Good morning, everyone. Let's dive into some trending tickers we've got for you today.
First up, Bank of America. Warren Buffett's selling spree continues with Berkshire Hathaway offloading an additional 24.7 million shares, totaling a hefty $982 million. This sale was disclosed in a late Tuesday SEC filing.
Yeah, Alex, it's interesting because despite this big sell-off, Berkshire still holds a massive stake in Bank of America, over 900 million shares. So while they're trimming, it's far from pulling out entirely. Still, unloading nearly $1 billion in shares could be seen as a bearish signal for Bank of America. Absolutely, Brad. And let's not forget, Berkshire has been steadily reducing its position in Bank of America throughout the last quarter. They've also been dialing back on Apple stock, signaling a more defensive strategy. With market volatility in full swing, geopolitical tensions rising, and the US election on the horizon, Buffett seems to be positioning for uncertainty.
That's a great point. Berkshire's defensive moves make sense given the market's shaky footing. Remember the market sell-off back in early August? It's clear Buffett is being cautious. Selling off nearly $1 billion in Bank of America stock could be Berkshire raising cash to prepare for future opportunities.
Exactly, Alex. Bank of America has about 64% institutional ownership. So when one of its largest stakeholders starts selling, it's a big deal. Berkshire could be freeing up capital, dry powder, for when the market presents more attractive growth opportunities, especially in sectors that might be undervalued after a dip.
Right, Brad. And this kind of strategy highlights the so what factor. This is Warren Buffett we're talking about. The king of value investing. If he's pulling back and taking a risk-off approach, what does that say about market conditions ahead? What signals is Buffett seeing that the broader market might be missing?
It's definitely something to think about, and it seems to be working for Berkshire. They just hit that $1 trillion market cap earlier today. Clearly, their cautious strategy isn't slowing them down.
Absolutely. When Buffett moves, the market pays attention. His strategy of trimming positions now could mean he's gearing up for some significant plays down the line.
Which makes it all the more important for investors to keep an eye on Berkshire's next moves. If Buffett's cautious, maybe it's time for the rest of us to reassess our own strategies.
Well said. That wraps up our coverage on Bank of America and Berkshire Hathaway for now. But stay tuned, we've got more trending tickers coming up next.
Don't go anywhere.
We'll be right back.